Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day to Mr. Koh. Today we'll be presenting for our Precast Concrete Design Project BFS 41103 Semester 1 Session 2020-2021. Here are the list of group members. My name is NORMADIANA ISMAIL and I will start with the introduction. The Precast Concrete relates to two things, which is method of construction and also construction material. As for the method of construction, the components were cast other than the final location. For the construction material, it composed of such as pre-stressed concrete. The use of precast concrete improved the use, quality and also the sustainability. For the project background, our firm has been awarded for a project of a double-story factory for books production. It was proposed using industrial building system. Our design team was required to produce a detailed proposal of the first floor structural system. As you can see here, the first floor plan was given. The concept of precast construction and cast in situ were used in this project. The concept of precast, which is the component were made other than the final location, and also cast in situ concept, which is the concrete was poured on site. The first floor consists three main areas, which is open area, production area and also office area. There are also stairs and also the escalator. Before the actual project started, the precast and cast in situ components need to be identified for the floor. The precast structural components such as beam, column, floor stand and also the connection need to be identified. For this project, the precast components we use is column, inverted T-beam, L-beam slab and also the connections such as the nips and also core-band. All the components need to be designed according to the Eurocode or British standard. For this project, we use manual calculation to identify the sizing and also the dimensioning.
Hello and good day. My name is ALIMSHAH bin MAHADZIR with matric number DF170107. Okay, I will continue the presentation by presenting the conceptual preliminary planning for this project. First of all, we decided to produce a structure layout. As you can see in the figure, we highlighted all the precast elements and we decided to consider the small area as cast in situ, such as the toilet area, stair, escalator and pantry. Next, we decided to determine the suitable type of precast element. Okay, for example, we decided to use inverted T-beam and L-beam for the beam. Okay, lastly, we decided to the dimension for each precast element. As you can see, this is the precast element situated in this project. Okay, first precast slab, we use the simply supported hollow slab with one way slab, dimension range, length 60 meter and width 1 meter or smaller. Okay, below is the location of the precast slab. Okay, next is the precast beam. We use the inverted T-beam and L-beam. Then for the precast column, the location is at column B10 and B7. Last, for the connection, we decided to use the core bell and nips connection. And the analysis is we refer to the location of column before this. Okay, that's all from me. I will pass the presentation to my friends. Okay, thank you.
My name is NORMADIANA BINTI and I will present the structural system and layout plan. This is the structural system that was sketched by the group members. Next, this is the structural layout of the building that were produced from AutoCAD software. It can be seen that in the layout, the cast in situ part were hatched. Next, the design data were mostly referred from the Eurocode 2, which is design of concrete structures. This is the details that were taken into account in designing the building. The type of building is book factory and the height of the floor to be designed is 5 meter. The compressive strength value used is 30 Newton per millimeter square. And the yield strength of steel used is 460 Newton per millimeter square. Next, The density of concrete used is 25 kN per meter cube. This is the list of loading that we use in the building. There are also standard values that were taken, which are for the live load for open area, production area, and office area.
For the manual calculation, we have calculated two types of area. First is open area and offices, which has the live load of 2.5 kN per meter square, while the production area has a larger live load of 5 kN per meter square. And you can see here, we have proposed the thickness of slab, sizes, main reinforcements, and shearing of all the components. The slab, we have used normal RC method to calculate it, while for inverted T-beam, L-beam, and column, all I use the precast method to calculate it. Here also shows the size, main reinforcement, shearing of our proposed column and also L-beam. Here shows the calculation of nips and corbel for both open area and production area. And also there is a specific beam which is 9 AD and 11 AD, where it is used for bracing the column only and will not withstand any load. So it will only be proposed but not designed, and the proposed size is 400 mm times 950 mm.
Hi, my name is Rabi'atul Raihan binti Ahmad Kamal Ariffin, and my metric number is DF 170095. Okay, for the conclusion and for the production area, as it will be a place where all the heavy machine and books will be installed, we are going to include the dead load to make sure that there will no failure throughout the period when the factory has been operated. And the design load for the production area is bigger than open area, as it will affect the building durability after the entrance of dead load and live load. And lastly, all structural analysis shows that the good result, as our design team has designed and proposed the best size and the quantity of bars that is economical, and to ensure that the structural element were not over designed and still ensure that the cost for the element are still under control. That's all. Thank you.